In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show busy on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to block time so others can see you're unavailable, whether you're planning a short focus session or a longer chunk of the day. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. In the top right corner, click the grid icon for Google Apps. From that menu, choose Calendar. This brings you into your Google Calendar, where you can view your schedule by day, week, or month. Find the date and time you want to mark as unavailable. Click directly on the calendar at that time to start creating your event. A small window pops up so you can add details. Give your block a clear title, so something simple like busy or unavailable works great. A clear title helps you recognize it at a glance later. If you need to set more than an hour as busy, you can extend the time selection. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key, then drag your mouse down to cover the full range you'll be unavailable. Keep holding Control while you drag so the selection stretches to exactly the duration you need. On some keyboards, especially on a Mac, you might use the Command key, but the idea is the same. Hold the modifier key and drag to lengthen the block. Now let's make sure your time actually shows as busy to others. Open the event details if they're not already visible. On the left side of the event editor, next to the small briefcase icon, look for the option that controls how your time is shown. Set this to busy. This setting matters because it tells shared calendars and scheduling tools that you're not available for meetings during this block. Take a quick moment to confirm the date, start time, and end time are correct, and that the title says what you want it to say. When everything looks good, click Save. Your calendar will now display this block as busy, and anyone who can see your availability will know not to book over it. If you ever need to tweak the time or rename it, just click the event on your calendar to open it, make your adjustments, and save again. It's a simple habit that keeps your schedule accurate and protects your focus time. That's it. Your busy time is set and visible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control of your calendar with confidence.